These will be the elevators here at Nordstrom, Washington Square. And we got some Schindlers to ride.
Right, both these. I like the right one the best.
We can ride them both.
Yeah.
Let's go up to 2.
This is the motor.
These are actually pretty nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back down to 1.
Interesting, I like how they're the different.
Yeah, no,
buttons.
that one actually sticks. These buttons stick out of the COP, but these ones don't.
Oh, these ones are California code?
Yeah, those ones are California code, and
Oh,
those
yeah,
aren't.
I see, yep. Look at the whole panel flex.
Oh yeah. Typical flush mounted. These are pressable too. Or this one does only. Oh yeah, this is for fire service.
Let's take this up, and we can get the other one on too.
Yeah, they're both Adam Survivor.
Yeah. Still, that's interesting though. They use 2 different ones on each side.
Mm-hmm.
It's also interesting it's Survivor, not RT.
Yeah. Although
Yeah,
these,
exactly. from
these
the
are
start,
definitely
because these definitely sound like
300 A's though.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's slower.
Yeah.
Ride power motors.
The RTMT chime.
Convenient.
One.
Surprised that these don't have fire service. Which is weird.
Now both panels on this one are California code compliant.
Mm-hmm. If there was no caps, it would have abandoned you.
Huh. Notice how in place of what would be the fire service, it's just some blank buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Alright, let's listen to the motor on this.
Yeah, because we don't have a fan on.
Oh, this is a better motor too.
Alright,
Here we
let's
go.
listen.
That has a rough spot.
That is a pretty nice motor. And yeah, it did bounce a bit.
Yeah.
And a 1x1. We'll get a cap view too. And here we are.
Yep.
Our luck. Well, there it goes.